Oh, I'm excited. It's been a long time since you guys have seen us on this couch, and guess what? Oh, I get the Popeye.
Calm down.
A lot of people have been asking about Popeye, and a lot of people have asked us, have you guys seen this thing?
Oh yes, we've seen it.
Yeah.
It went on our wish list for a long time.
Since the day it hit the announcement teaser trailer came out.
And here it is, the Redcat Wendigo.
Woo! I'm excited. We love our Redcat crawlers, as you can see behind us. We've got 2 Gen 8s and one of our Gen 7.
We got our setup just for this video, showing some of our Redcats.
We have a couple others,
a few more.
But these are some of our favorites. And although this looks a lot like them because it does use the Gen 8 chassis,
it looks like a crawler.
It's a rock racer.
With a brushless motor, 3300 kV brushless motor. 60
amp ESC, it can run on a 2 or 3S LiPo. This is exciting. Today's video is an unboxing. Hang on, you have lipstick on your tooth. Yeah, a lot. You're good.
Got it.
This video is just an unboxing, but please be ready for our first run. Probably tomorrow.
So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can see this run because I'm so excited. We haven't even decided whose vehicle this is.
We might share it.
We just got it and the arguments have not started yet.
We may challenge each other to drive it for pink slips. Oh, you get to open it.
I get to open
Fair enough.
I feel like it's been forever since I got to cut the tape.
Usually Abby and I trade off. I mean, I get a lot of the airplanes, she gets a lot of the trucks, but when it comes to Redcat, we like them so much we each have a Gen 8. I mean, that's how much we like our Gen 8s.
Yeah.
So, this one, it's unique, right?
Right.
We swap back and forth on bashers a lot of times, and occasionally I'll chime in and say, I gotta have this crawler, Abby. We share our stuff, of course, but this is so unique because it is a rock racer.
What's his is mine and what's mine is mine.
Yeah.
Oh,
luckily, you don't like to fly the planes as much as I do, so I get to fly more.
Yeah, so I get more of the trucks. So this is my truck. All sorts of parts.
A little bit of upgrade accessories. There's a fuel canister,
That's
a little metal wrench in there.
Here we go. Moment of truth.
Yeah, I'm very excited. This is a premium quality vehicle.
I like
it looks
blue.
good. Guys, if you're as excited about this truck as we are, you want to add it to your wish list or just check it out, we'll have a link in the description box below. Highly encourage you to check this puppy out, but don't click away yet. We're going to take a look at this. This is bigger than I thought.
The graphics look so good.
Yeah.
I love the urban camo, but it's not quite urban camo, but that's what it reminds me of.
There's perfect amount of room up here for TheRcSaylors stickers.
There's like a huge GPS for the driver to look at.
That's the passenger. He's going to call.
Oh, the passenger. That is the passenger.
He'll be calling the shots. He's going to say, hey, we got a turf left coming up. That's a much bigger truck than I expected.
So this looks like a mix between the Gen 8 and the Camo X4. That's what this is, right?
Yeah. Let me see this.
Where's our Camo X4, Nathan? Wait. Boom.
Yeah.
Camo X4.
Our Camo X4 is heavily modified though. We have smokestacks coming out the rear, tons of lights all over. I added a rugged light bar on top, and we expect to add some lights to this. Actually, we're already one step ahead of the game. We picked up the Redcat 16 LED light kit. This puppy, I believe, has like turn signals when you kick it in.
I think they made
easy to install.
this mainly for the Gen 8.
But it's going to work
Scout
on this
2,
too.
yeah, it says it right on there. But it should work on this, I believe. Super cool.
Very cool. So if you're interested in like any of the stuff we're talking about, we'll link everything. Yeah, we love our crawlers. We'll link those down in the description box too. And if you're unfamiliar with some of the trucks we're talking about, we'll just link everything. Batteries that we recommend you use, all that good stuff will be linked below. Looking for the radio here. I want to make sure we're consistent on our radio.
Yeah, the bumpers are ready for lights.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And I personally think this would look good with a really rugged light bar on top. Be very easy to install.
Nate loves his light bars.
I do, I really do. There's some good metal light bars out there.
How many smokestacks are you going to add to this one?
I won't add smokestacks to this one, but it probably would be better than the Camo X4. Look at it.
Maybe you should take the ones off the Camo X4 and put it on those.
Look at these beefy tires.
Yeah.
Are they bigger than the Camo tires? They're huge.
So.
Looks like we're sticking with the
they're bigger.
Same radio, I believe. This is, for those of you that are really into Redcat, this is the RCR2CE. It looks like a really nice radio. We've got all full trim functionality here. It looks good. This is a nice setup, but I'm drooling over the truck. What is going on? They're pretty hefty body clips.
I've never seen them put plastic protectors over the body clips.
Oh, that was tough. Yeah, there are these little... Yeah, that's all it is. You want to take them off?
Whoa. That's so funny. I've never seen anybody do that.
Well, that protects the body.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's nice.
So the battery mounts right in the center.
That's good. For a rock racer, that's nice. I don't think you really wanted the brushless motor, and it's a pretty beefy motor too, right up front and centered. Wow, that looks good. That looks good. It's got a sway bar on the back, which is really nice. This definitely has a different look onto it for Redcat. I like the metal chassis runners too. The
shocks look massive.
Yeah, of course they're oil-filled independent shocks. This is a nice... This servo is a metal geared steering servo. The 60 amp ESC has me excited because, yeah, this is going to be fun on 2S, but it's going to come alive on a 3S battery.
Just a random detail, but the switch, the on-off switch, is in a great place. So you don't have to constantly take your body off and on to access it. You'll be able to access it with the body on.
I like that. That's good.
Easy to find, because sometimes they're buried and hard to find.
Totally waterproofed. This thing's going to be blasting through some puddles when we get some rain. Yeah, this is so cool. A lot of metal throughout. Really, the only thing I'm seeing that's plastic is the actual center chassis itself, like the plate, where it's like a step bar, like a side bar. That's the bumpers are plastic, but that's okay because they're going to give a little bit, you know. This is a sweet setup. I love how it looks. This is going to be like a mud bogger. I know it's classified as a rock racer, but I could see this tearing up some mud. Like when it rains, we need to go tear up a course.
Yes.
This is amazing. I should point out that it comes with a Dean's plug on here. That's a really good question that a lot of people will ask. What kind of battery plug is it? It's Dean's, the most common ground vehicle type of connection. I like that a lot. It can also run on nickel metal hydride batteries when you adjust the jumper on the ESC, so you're not limited to LiPos. There are some guys out there that have a ton of nickel metals, and they like to run those. Waterproof receiver box looks really good. I am pumped. I want you guys to just check it out, you know, drool over this with us for a bit. That's the point of the unboxing today, to share the excitement with us. And we're gonna go run it. We're gonna run this probably tomorrow. I'd like to hear from you guys in the comments below. Where do you think we should run this first? Do you think this deserves a hill climb challenge? I think it does. How's it gonna stand up to our actual hill? And then maybe we take it out on a trail somewhere.
I'm sure you guys are going to see this a lot on the channel.
Yeah.
This looks awesome.
It's very cool. I think this could probably be run kind of as a crawler too. Not exactly as a crawler, but I think you could run it slow enough and take it on a trail around the lake, just like we do our Gen 7, Gen 8 trucks, which are one of our favorite crawlers.
I have a soft spot in my heart for some good bashers, so I think this is going to be a lot of fun.
It's like the best of both worlds.
Yeah, I really like this, and it's mine, so sorry.
Well,
I called it.
If this is yours, then I've got my eye on another Redcat that might have to talk about.
Well, that's up for discussion.
Okay, we'll see. I do have a couple airplanes on the way too, so we'll see.
So they're all mine. All the trucks are mine.
Well, maybe. We'll see. We'll figure something out. Guys, all the good stuff will be linked in the description box below. Even though we're just kind of stuck inside doing an unboxing today, I'm still very excited about this truck. This is really awesome, and for that, I thank God. We couldn't do our channel without our Patreon supporters, so also a huge shout out and thank you to each and every one of you guys, but specifically the names that are scrolling by right now. You guys are some of our top tier Patreon supporters. We love you all, we thank you, and I think we should probably take a look at one of our favorite Redcat racing videos. We'll have one of those popping up right about now. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye!